Hi, everyone. Welcome to the ViWizard YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to play Netflix videos on VLC media player with a simple step-by-step guide. First, you'll need a professional downloader. We recommend ViWizard Netflix Video Downloader, which lets you download unlimited Netflix content at lightning speed. You can save videos locally in MP4 or MKV formats. Check out the download link in the description to get started. Once you've installed the tool, follow these steps, open ViWizard and click the three-line icon in the top right corner to adjust your download preferences. Search for your favorite Netflix movies or shows by name, keyword, or URL. Once you've found what you want, click the video, then the red download button in the bottom right corner. Select the episodes you want to download, and customize the audio, subtitles, and quality settings. Hit the download button, and ViWizard will convert the Netflix video to MP4 or MKV. After the download is complete, open VLC Media Player. Click Open File, select the converted video, and start watching Netflix offline. You can even transfer these videos to any device you like. Give it a try and download ViWizard Netflix Video Downloader for free today. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.